Oh my God, it was very overwhelming, we really had to pinch ourselves to see this is for real, touch the walls, open the wardrobes. It was, I think, one of the most joyful, exciting and surreal experience. I think it was just starting from the scratch, It was as good as building the house, putting small bricks in the place and trying to, by trial and error, coming across things that would, really suit the house or not suit the house. It was like that.
I mean, that was a time where we started looking most of this information in a website, or even like both my wife and I got fixated on some of these channels or even magazines, and figuring it out from where all can we source these designs. So I think it just hovers around your mind, like those 3-4 months were all about how do we zero down to the right partner, get the right designs, and then kick off the work. So as we started searching and getting more references, we looked at some of the biggest brands or very known companies in India. We went to their showrooms, tried understanding what kind of clients they have done, what kind of value they will add to our home. However, we could not get that sense of, like, is it real? It was looking like too much of fancy stuff, but we could not kind of relate to some of the designs to what our choices were.
Just like any other designer, when we approached Asense, the entire team took a lot of time to understand, rather than pitching what they had or what they had to showcase. They invested a lot of time talking to us, understanding what we really wanted, right? And the best part that we loved about Asense was they did not try to shovel something exotic on our face. So there was a very fine balance between day-to-day functionality and what would look elegant. In any creative process, I think there's a lot of ideation happening in the initial start, a lot of discussion happening. So the design team, Snigdha, would give us a lot of sketches, on the 3D, the 2Ds and all. And they would, again, I always feel that more than money, it is the time that I invest into something, We would talk more, go to the office, look at things, and then she would sit and help us visualize on 3D how our thought process vis-a-vis in reality, how it would look on a software and how it would actually look in a real setting.
We understood that they have understood our taste, and we ourselves also discovered a lot of things, and the entire house currently, the home currently looks, I mean, you will get the elements that the choices are kind of combined, and all of that is giving you a lot of confluence of colors and designs. I think that is making it more real and earthy.
Something that is very close to what we actually, absolutely what we wanted, There's not much of a difference. It might be 0.5, but not more than that. It's exactly what we wanted.
I think the best part was that it's a one-stop shop. So you have designs, you have the factory, the carpentry work, the wooden work, you get laminates, all choice of catalog was there. So we did not have too much of hassle. Some last-minute changes of laminates happened because of
the COVID, supply chain issues.
From the back end, the supply did not happen, but then we changed our laminate needs, and all of that was done very smoothly, very seamlessly. I think the team understood, Asense understood what we needed, and we also were approaching them quite closely because we both wanted to get this done as smooth as possible, as fast as possible.
Oh my God, it was very overwhelming, All these months we were just rushing to their office and looking at the software and 3D design, but we really had to pinch ourselves to see this is for real, touch the walls, open the wardrobes and see, and switch on all the lights and see, the finished product. It was, I think, one of the most joyful, exciting and surreal experience.
I think it gave a completely different feeling of accomplishment, the joy of having your own home and all the elements coming live in front of you. I think it was a completely different feeling. We were both ecstatic. I think it was a memorable moment we will always cherish forever when we got our handover and the final design was done.
So for kids' bedroom, we were looking at more storage spaces because the kid is growing and with every day the stuffs are increasing. So we did not want something too fancy, but we also want something that will resonate with his character, you know. He's very active and he wants to play and all that. So the colors had to be very vibrant. So there were quite a lot of iterations when it came to finalizing the wardrobe colors. Okay, and we did not want to just say that boys will go blue and the girls will go pink. No, we wanted to have something that was gender neutral and any kid could accommodate in that room and feel vibrant. So so here goes the choice of colors. And then Rajdeep, what do you like about your room?
My favorite thing is the wardrobe and table.
Which colors are there?
Blue, yellow and white.
We enjoyed the entire relationship. I just hope that they can connect with more clients and can keep doing this good work across.